Hello and welcome back, my stylish friends. Today I want to show you how to calculate the number of stitches you will need to make a scarf or blanket. So let's say I want to make a regular size scarf, which is between 50 to 60 inches, and I made 15 stitches. That gave me 5 inches. To calculate that, I will take the length of my scarf divided by the inches I have times the number of stitches that I have. My calculation will be 60 inches divided by 5 inches, which give me number 12, times my 15 stitches. That means I need 180 stitches for the length of my scarf. For the width of your scarf, you can take the same calculation, but instead of taking the number of the stitches in your foundation chain, you will measure the height of your row, the height of the stitches you are using. And that's how you can calculate how many rows you need to complete your scarf width. For example, if I want to make scarf that is 8 inches wide and each of my row is 1 inch, I will make 8 rows. If my row height is only half an inch, I will have to make 16 rows to accomplish the width I'm looking for, which will be 8 inches. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, I will answer all the questions in the comments. Have a great day. See you soon.